Okay, here's how we capture legal descriptions, meets and bounds from a title document, and we put it into ArcGIS. The first step is to capture the starting location and the bearings and distances. I'm going to capture this in a spreadsheet and then transfer that to this text file just for a little bit of redundancy and to keep it clear and simple. And sorry about the slurping noise I'll be making with my candy. So I'm going to be working on East 2 Clinton property. You'll see this is the easement for the Corps of Engineers to have 50-year access to this location. And we capture the location. It's an 82-acre lot, and it begins here. So this may be probably sped up because it's going to be a lot of clicking and dragging. Angles, I'm going to show you how to enter it, how an ArcGIS traverse function expects it. And this is just something that you need to know to get it in there. But they all start with, you can see how they starts S, so south is S, and then you put the first two numbers together. So anywhere between 0 and 90. And then you dash between degrees and minutes. And then you dash between minutes and seconds. And then you put the suffix of east or west. And then the distance is the distance in feet here. Make sure to write it weird. Thence. Okay, new piece of candy. We're going to capture and transfer the angles and the distances that we captured from this document into a text file. I'm not exactly certain how it's going to work, but we'll do a little workflow and see if it's going to work. I think according to the help, we may do AD. Let's see how that works. That's what the distance was. $16. 16. Hmm. Might have to come back and remove the tabs. So this is the third big step. We're going to import the traverse that we just typed in from this file here. And then we're going to build, it should outline this right here. So, and maybe there'll be this little ditch that comes off. Let's see. So if we do, notice the reference to ArcMap, import ArcMap log file. So it's not showing up here because I have to go back and refresh the catalog. A painful, painful process. Import again. There it is. Well, it didn't bulk at me. Let's see if it put those. Oh, It put it out there in some strange location. It looks like we got the in Canada. I'm in Brazil because I get my X and Y inverted. Okay. And I guess the cabs didn't matter. I don't think it brought in these ADs. Inverted them around. And I don't think it read any ADs. Let's see. Track in. Hmm. It isn't going on. Hmm. Pushed. Well, I should have left it running, but what I did was I imported it in using a traverse. I got the file, and now I'm filling in the attributes. And the way I did the traverse was I'll just recreate it in a new empty data set so we don't overwrite that one. And we'll go into edit. We'll say traverse. And so I had to edit the file around a little bit and use these indices. What does indices stand for? C forward. Non-tangent curve. Chord length. So that's what's in there. We're going to pick the file again. It's going to import in. It's going to show up. Now what it did was it showed up pretty far north, but I'm going to have to translate it anyway. So I just finish it. And then I go into the move here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to match this corner to that corner. So if I go there and then just drag down, I don't think it'll snap. I'll let go close. Get this, that, and then that's it. And that's, it probably could rotate a little bit. There was a trick to rotating that. Aaron showed me, which was, so instead of by default, what it'll do is it'll rotate about the center point, and we would have it rather rotate around this. So let's see if we do that. We do rotate, and then with the control key, we assign that as the center of rotation. And then there was something about the S. It won't let you do any. Won't let you zoom. Nope, it shifts back. Like that. So I will snap to that one and say control on. Okay, control left click. And now I'm gonna S click. And then I'm gonna say rotate. Okay, close enough. And then I go in and I fill in the attributes. And since I've done this twice, I'm just going to remove this one here. So I'm going to not let it complete. I'm just going to say yes to rotate. And then I'm going to F2 complete. And then I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so we won't have that. I'll fill in some cool. Basically, I'll do the same thing. See, green, and I'll go get these points here, and see, V, and no, there's the same. Okay.